Hello everybody, in this video I will be unboxing this aroma diffuser. I received this as part of the Breville promotion, so it came for free. So let's get started. Okay, so here we've got power adapter and some water measuring cup. So it's got up to 150 mils, just there, 150 mils. So this is the power supply. It's got the Australian power adapter. Okay, let's have a look here. Okay, yep, so this is ceramic. It has the power port right at the bottom. It's got some rubber feet at the bottom here, so it won't slide as easily. To open it, you just pull it up, and you've got here the water tank. So this is the drain side. It's got max. So just make sure you pour it on this side. So this is the side where the mist will come out. So just gotta make sure you pour it in the drain side. It's got the on and off buttons here and a timer. So I'm planning to use a couple of oils. So this is the eucalyptus oil that I plan to use. The Bosisto's eucalyptus oil, it's 100% pure. The other one, I'm planning to also use the Tree Oil. It's antiseptic, so it'll be good for any blocked nose and sinuses. Let me grab the instructions. So here's the instructions. It's the ceramic diffuser. It's pretty straightforward. Just open this tank cover. Was easy to take out. Now it says here that in order to add the essential oil, just add a few drops of essential oil and fill the base with 100 ml of distilled or purified filtered water, so not cold. And it says here, do not use tap water and do not overfill. And then all you do is replace this lid and turn it on. So as I mentioned before, this is the drain side. So as is here, you basically pour it on this side where the drain side is. Make sure it reaches the max level. And then on the back of the instructions, just shows you how to use it. So for the power timer, which is the left hand side button here, if you press it once, it's a continuous, twice is intermittent, then it's got 1 hour, 3 hours, and if you long press the on and off button, it will turn it off. So those are pretty good and handy settings. And then on this side, it's got the light. So before I use it, it's got here instructions on how to clean it. So it's pretty straightforward. Just clean it. When it's empty, make sure you don't have the power cord connected, which is pretty obvious. Only use clean water, room temperature. Now I just have to rinse the water tank and wipe it dry with a clean cloth. So let me give that a try and then I'll test it. With 1, 2, make it 3 drops. Now let me just put the cap back on, put the lid, there we go. Just be careful that there is water here, so make sure you don't tip it over. Now let me plug it in. plug it in. Okay. So maybe you can actually plug it in whilst pouring it. Now I'm just going to lift this up. Okay. It's plugged in now. So let me try using the continuous mode. Okay, so the light is on now. So it's on continuous mode. Let me try the light. Okay, the light is an orangey color. Let me take another video of this. The side. So this is the side view. On the on, and yes, you can start seeing, to smell it. Don't really feel anything coming from the top yet. Here's the unit. I'll switch off the light to see how it looks like at night. There we go. So this is the night light. Just got the on and off button. So that's off, that's on. Looks like there's two modes. One's brighter, so if you press it twice, it goes brighter. So this is the first one, and then one more that's brighter. Switch back the light. As mentioned before, there's two modes. So this is a brighter version, and this goes off. So if you press it twice, it goes brighter. Just give it a while. So at the moment it's on continuous mode. I can hear some noise coming from the diffuser. I expect it to have more mist coming out of it, but I don't see anything at the moment. So let me come back and show you once there's a bit of more mist. Now I'm going to show you how much steam is coming out of the diffuser. So I've removed the ceramic cover, and the top cover, as you can see, there is steam coming out. That's when the top cover is removed. But if you put the top cover and the ceramic back on, there isn't actually a lot of steam coming out. I expected it to be a lot more, but that's not the case. I'll show you a horizontal view. It's very hard to see using the camera. There's only a little bit of steam coming out, and it's also very gentle. It's set to on, and the light is at a low, and I'm going to switch off the light, and I'm going to show you how much steam. It's only a little bit, you can't really see it that much. So if this video helped you in any way, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.